This video will show you how to clean your Rio Pro 360. You will need the cleaning cards that came in the box with your printer, or you can order them from your nearest dealer. Firstly, make sure the home screen is on the display and click Menu. This will be the right-hand button under your display. Select Clean Rollers by clicking Next. The display will show a warning prompting you to remove any cards from the printer. Make sure this is done before continuing. Click Next. The display will then prompt you to remove the die film. Do this before continuing by pressing the button on the top of the printer to release the lid and remove the spools as shown. Place these to one side. Take a cleaning card and remove the packaging. Hold the narrower end of the card to the printer. Make sure the printer lid is open so you can see inside. Click Next. The display will show Get Cleaning Card Ready. Click Next again. The rollers inside the printer will automatically start turning and the display will show Insert Cleaning Card Now. Insert the card, narrow end first, through the slot under the display at the front of the printer. The rollers will pull the card inwards and the display will say Cleaning. The card will eject and reinsert itself a number of times. The machine will then eject the whole card once the process is complete. Turn the card over. You will see the dye and dirt that has been removed from the rollers. The display will ask if you'd like to clean again. If you choose so, click Yes. The printer will prompt you to reinsert the card. Your MAGICARD Rio Pro 360 will then repeat the cleaning process as before. Once complete, click No to exit the cleaning menu. You will then return to the main menu. Next, click Menu, then the downwards button to move the cursor to Turn Rollers. Select this option with the right-hand button. This option allows you to manually turn the printer rollers. The up arrow turns the rollers backwards, while the downwards arrow turns the roller forwards. Click the up arrow to manually clean the printer. With one hand, press the up button. With the other hand, take the cleaning card and press down onto the main roller, rubbing side to side as shown. Now, let go of the directional button, close the lid and turn your printer around. With one hand, click the up arrow again and use your other hand to clean the rear roller as shown. Here we have folded the card simply for ease. Your printer is now clean, so exit from the cleaning menu, replace the die film and close the lid, replacing the card hopper. You can now continue using your MAGICARD Rio Pro 360.